Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. If you're new here, my name is Kay, and here on my channel I share everything nails with you. In today's video, we'll be doing a dual form set using Builder Gel. My daughter, this is my daughter, she's been out for 6 weeks. The set that I'm taking off, we did them at home, but she finally had some time. I finally had some time. So we're doing her nails at the salon. So I've been testing out the dual forms on a few of my clients who I talked to about the product prior to purchasing these specific ones, and they've been loving it. I've used it on a few clients with their natural nails that grows downward, um, higher apex clients, and some with their ring finger and their pointer finger just completely unruly and want to go in all different direction but straight. So I say, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and record my daughter's nails since we've been waiting for a schedule to clear up to get her in. These are 6-week-old hard gel nails. We did these at home. So yeah, like I said, I'm just going ahead to use my coarse removal bit to debulk as much of the product that I can. And then I'll go in with my 100-180 grit hand file to etch the area where the hard gel is. And then I'll go in with my medium or fine barrel bit listed on the screen for you guys to prep her new growth area. So you'll see all these steps, and then we will be using gel bottle rubber base, gel bottle builder gel to do this set. The thing that I find with using dual forms with builder gel of thicker viscosity, it does not cure entirely. So when you take it off, you have to make sure that client or whoever you're doing it could be even yourself, you have to make sure they're going back in the light for a full cure. I did not realize that the inside wasn't cured all the way until I get to filing. And this isn't my first time using the dual form with builder gel. I have used it with the milky white before and clear, and those are a little thinner viscosity, so I think that's why they cured all the way through. This one was their number 18. It kind of resembled their teddy, and it was in my cabinet. And of course, it's not warmed up or anything, so it was a little bit thicker. So if you have like a warmer and you're using builder gel that you haven't used in a while, or it's just in a nice temperature controlled area, make sure you warm them up a little bit before you go ahead and use them. That will definitely help with curing as well. So yeah, here I'm just going ahead to use my 100-180 nail file to shape up her nails, and I'm shaping her nails from the free edge, and then I'm making my rounds to her sidewall, and I'm making sure I'm alternating side without overfiling her sidewall. We could easily do so by wanting the shape to be nice and perfect, but it's not worth it if your client is going to come back with cracks and chips and so on. So yeah, and then I've used the dual forms with hard gel as well. And let me just say, chef kiss, chef kiss. I can't wait to record a video for you guys using it with hard gel. I think I've decided what hard gel um, brand I want to add. Sorry, guys. I want to add come 2026. So I'm going to finish the year out, get my budget and stuff out the way, and make some purchases, hopefully during the Black Friday sale or whatever sale they have for the end of the year. I'm not going to be doing too much, I'm not indulging, but I do want to stock up on a few products because I do like to take like a little break from shopping come the new year. I won't do any form of restocking until about spring, April, before Mother's Day rush. So yeah, with Thanksgiving fast approaching, I hope you guys are staying safe and preparing to entertain and have your friends and family over so you guys could talk about what you are grateful for and what this year has brought to you guys thus far. I am hosting, so I have a few friends over that have became family over the years of being here in the States. So I'm excited for that. So I will be cooking. So yeah. So here I am using my medium barrel bit to exfoliate her new growth and gently push her cuticle back. And I will be using this bit in both a forward and a reverse motion. I cannot speak today, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And I am working on those boxes as well. Let me know if you any of you are interested in receiving acrylics. So I know what to put in the boxes because I know I have a lot of builder gel and decals, but I also have a lot of young nail products that I love to share with you guys. So let me know. Let me know if you guys would be interested in receiving young nail products as well. So yeah, so let's get back to it. So now I'm just going ahead to use it in a reverse motion. And here I am using my flame. I want to say this was a fine flame bit. And I'm just gently cleaning up her sidewall, and then I'll go ahead and use it to push her cuticles back. I will be doing a little bit of nipping, just what I could see with my eyes and your eyes, not too much. And then I'll quickly go back in with my ball bit or my round head cuticle bit to smooth and exfoliate her cuticle, make them look nice and clean. And then we'll go in with our alcohol mix that I like to use to dehydrate and cleanse our nail of any dust and debris. We'll go ahead and prep using young nail, of course, and then go straight in with gel bottle, rubber base, and start the process. So I'll let you guys watch this portion and I'll be back. Alright guys, so we have prepped the natural nails. We dehydrate using alcohol and acetone, a mix that I like to use, and that just helps take off the dust and debris from her nails after just doing the prep and all the natural oils. Now I'm going in with I went in with my Young Nail Protein Bond. Now I'm going in with the gel bottle rubber base, and I'm basically just scrubbing that rubber base on her natural nail plate, and then she'll cure for 60 seconds. So yeah, so for the dual forms, I did ended up showing you guys how I applied the builder gel inside the dual forms. But guys, honestly, it was a Saturday. I was ready to go. So I ended up pre-filling the dual forms and then just applying them. And my daughter doesn't know nothing about curing. And she was on her phone. And she was, yeah. So it took her a minute to like come and turn the light on for me in some of the clips, but thank God for editing. Y'all didn't get to see. I'm like, Malia, you can't start curing yet. Um, And then I realized that I was moving a little fast, like I was telling you guys in the last video. So yeah, and let me know how you guys been enjoying that video. If you have seen that video, let me know what's your take. What should I do different come the new year? What you guys would like to see from me. And I thank you guys for commenting and let me know that you guys do like to see the removal process. That helps me a lot to know what to put out and if what I'm putting out is helpful to you guys and if you find it interesting. So yeah, I love sharing my work with you guys. So yeah, so here I am. It was a little bit easier just to have them pre-filled, and it helped me gauge the amount of product or amount of pressure to apply. Because like I said, your girl heavy-handed. I'm really heavy-handed, and I realize it while I was doing these dual forms. So the next video, I'll be way more light-handed, and you know, I like it. I like it. It was really nice and natural. I want to say I ended up putting a little bit more on the two fingers that I told you were under cured. And I want to say it was a middle finger and the pointer finger. Once I get to filing, it wasn't cure all the way at the free edge. And I thought I did tell her to put her hand in the light. So I don't know if she didn't put her hand in the light. But again, with thicker viscosity gels, if you're going to use dual forms, just make sure it's nice and cured before you get to filing or before you send your client on their way. You just don't want to risk the chances of your client developing an allergic reaction that they cannot get over. They can't get over it. They can't get rid of it. So, to prevent all the headaches, just make sure your client is putting their hand in the lamp for the recommended time and watch them. I should watch my daughter a little bit more too. But anyways, here I'm going in with my 100, 180 grit nail file to file her natural nail. She wanted to go almond, no, coffin. I was like, Malia, I don't even want to deal with the problems. The last time I did that, she was ready to go back to her almond shape. So yeah, so here I am just going in with my fine carbide bit to clean up that sidewall. Sometimes it will leave a little seam on the sides. I'm so glad my cuticle area was nice and clean, but the sides just needed to be taken in just a little bit. These were the fingers that you guys didn't get to see me fix. So because they were under cured, I had her cure them, and then because it had like a little bubble, I ended up filing the edge of the nail off and just applying more builder gel, um, just to make sure I'm not having no under cure product on my child's nail. So, and I'll do this for my client as well. You should do the same for yourself or whoever you're practicing on or doing their nails. So yeah, here I am just going ahead to file up her natural nails from underneath, and this will help the nail to appear much straighter and natural. So yeah, here I'm just going in with my 240 grit sanding band to, make sure everything is nice and smooth for application. For the design, she just wanted cheetah print, and my child don't like cheetah print, but she loves Hello Kitty, everything Hello Kitty. She showed me these nails 2 months ago, guys. She was like, this is what I wanted. So because she didn't want to sit the last time, we opt for olive green. So that's what we did. But she was not going to let me get away this time. So they turned out really nice. I used one of my Jello colors for the French. It was like a cream taupey color. And then we went straight in with my, what do you call those again? The little dotting tools to create the cheetah print design. And I just mixed a little bit of my Madame Glam black gel paint with a little bit of top coat just to make it a little bit thinner so it was easier to create them. So yeah, I just went in quickly to give her a quick little Frenchie with this Jello color. I'll list the number here on the screen. the dual forms, the bits, and most of everything that I could find a link for, I will link them in the description bar. Let me just say that. So yeah, let me know how you guys like this video. If you haven't checked out any of my most recent video, please to do so on the at the end of the video. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. Love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.